guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be packing. I'm going to be going to LA again. I'm so excited that I'm actually going back. I went there last year. I don't know if you guys saw my vlog. Hey guys, I'm going to LA. I'm so excited. My room looks like a hot mess because I'm literally cleaning it up at the moment. I need to pack. I just came back from Westfield because I had to get a couple stuff and whatever. I still need to pick up one of my packages from Asda because I allowed it to get dropped there, whatever. But I'm so exhausted. I don't know if you can hear it from my voice, but so tired. I had to do so much today, but I'm gonna start packing. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Suaad. If you're new to the squad, then make sure that you subscribe and join the fam bam. But yeah, last year I went to LA, but it was during lockdown, so lockdown actually started on me. And then I was meant to be there for 2.5 weeks, but I ended up only staying for a week, which was really sad. So like I was saying, I went to LA last year. COVID started, so I had to come back. So I didn't really see a lot because California went into lockdown very, very quickly. So, and then everyone got a deadline to leave the country straight away. So I had to leave. So this year I thought, you know what? I don't know if I'm making the same mistake again because this new virus. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to be packing. I didn't even plan my outfits. Normally I always plan my outfits, but this trip is literally the most fastest trip that I'm ever going to go on. I went this earlier today to go get my COVID test and stuff, so I'm just waiting for that to come through. And so yeah, hopefully it comes through before tomorrow morning. So yeah, let's start with it. Normally I like to plan my outfits beforehand, so now that I haven't planned my outfits, I'm kind of having like a mental breakdown. I'm having anxiety because I don't know what I want to pack. In my head, I think it's hot over there. Let's check. Yeah, so it's not that hot at the same time. It's literally 13 degrees at the moment, and it's going to go up to 18, which is not bad. It's going to be raining tomorrow when I land. What a time to be alive. But anyway, for the rest of the week, it's going to be hot. So I'm gonna pack very light. I'm like the most messiest packer ever, so don't judge me if you see how I pack, because I'm just, I don't know, I just like to go with the flow. So guys, I'm finally in my room. I've got my suitcase. All my clothes are scattered around, so I need to try to figure out. What I like to do is I like to plan my outfits in parts and then like put it in a suitcase. I don't know how people do it, but that's how I do it. I like to put my shoes and everything, bags, everything, like squeeze it together so I know what goes with what. So that's what I've been trying to do. I literally empty out my cupboard and try to find as much summer clothes that I can find, any clothes that I bought that I haven't worn and stuff, so I could come up with some lit pictures. Okay guys, so don't mind the mess behind me. So I've got these 2 slippers kind of shoes I'm going to put in here. After that I'm going to put in my boots that I got, and then the last pair that I'm going to put in are my Converses, you know, my Air Forces. So I like to plan my outfits in how I'm going to wear them. So this is a skirt and the t-shirt, and then I like to just put it to the side like so, and then I'll do the rest quickly. Guys, while I was packing, I broke my nail. Like, it got stuck on the side. Anyway guys, we're at the airport. Finally all my checks are through. I was waiting for my COVID one, but I finally got it guys. So yeah, we're just out here checking in, and then after that we're gonna get some food. Hey guys, we're just at the airport. I am so exhausted. I had 4 hours sleep, but I had like the most stressful night or evening or whatever. My COVID test wasn't going through properly, and then I thought I wasn't going to get on this flight. My finger hurts because I've ripped my nail off. My whole nail came off. Anyway, but thank God it went through after anyway. And now I'm just sitting here waiting for my flight. Gate opens in 5 minutes, so we're gonna go. Maybe this flight is gonna be comfortable because I need to sleep, and I don't sleep on flights, so I don't know how that's gonna work out. Otherwise, I'm just gonna watch movies, and then when I get to LA, we're gonna sleep. So we'll see how that goes. And by the way, is it just me who hates flights that are where you have to have a stop? I forgot what it's called. Anyway, I like direct flights. I hate flying, so I'd rather get it done over and done with one time. Anyway guys, we're just waiting to board the flight, and obviously we had to go through security checks because obviously we're wearing scarves. My face is breaking up very bad, but anyway, this guy came up to us and then he was like, oh, where did you guys travel from, where are you going, can I see your passports? After we already did the security check anyway. So, you know, I was a bit confused at first because I thought I was recording TikTok, so I thought, is that why he came up to me? But he said, can I see your passports, where did you come from, where are you going, and I was like, So I had this last year as well, where I had to go through security check. Like my passport had like a little sticker. Let me see if it still has it anyway. Yeah, look, it still has the sticker and it says security. So when I was scanning in my boarding pass, it got rejected. So I was like, But anyways, we got through. We're just waiting to board. Hopefully it goes fast. Hey guys, I just got to the car. The light's turning off. Anyway, I just got to the car. It feels so weird to drive on the left side. I was trying to get the gearbox and then I'm putting my left hand on it when I need to use my right hand. So yeah, we hired out a car. I'm very scared to be driving because literally is on the opposite side of the road. I don't remember the last time I drove on the opposite side of the road. So wish me luck anyways guys, and I'll see you guys at the hotel. Today we had like the longest day. Our flight first of all got delayed by 30 minutes, 40 minutes maybe, 30-40 minutes, an hour maybe. But after we landed we had to wait another 20 minutes, and then our baggage, we had to wait so long. Literally we should have been out at the airport whatever at 2 o'clock. Is now 5:21, and now we just literally just picked up the car. We finally got to our hotel. If you guys look at my eyes, is literally red. I don't know why. Anyway, let me show you guys around. You got the bathroom in here, just basic. I think it's a shower. Anyway guys, this was my airport attire. I'm so tired. It's literally like 3 AM in the morning in London and it's like 7 something here. And then you have this little station here where you got your coffee and stuff and little painting, whatever. And this is where you come in from. Then it looks like this. And you got the 2 beds, one here, one here. This is obviously going to be mine. And then we got a TV and then like lamps and stuff. And then let me show you guys if it opens. There's not really too much to see, but so you guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do about my eyes because my eyes look so red. But anyway, I'm gonna order some food. I'm gonna sleep because I had the longest day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.